Let's take a look at some logarithm problems here. So my first equation, number 17, I have 3 to the 8 minus 2x equals 81. So I want to look at my bases and I want to see if they're related with a common base anyway. So I know 3, I can't take any square roots of that, but I know that 81, the square root is 9. I know that 9 also goes into 3. So I'm just going to kind of play around with this and see how 3 might be raised to 81. So I know 3 squared is 9, but maybe I can relate that with 3 cubed. Let's see. Nope, that's 27. What about 3 to the 4th? That's 81. So I'm just going to keep going through there to try and find a common root. Okay, and I already know that 3, since I can't take a square root of that or anything there, I'm going to work and try to find 81. So I get 3 to the 4th. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3 to the 8 minus 2x equals 3 to the 4th. Well, now we've rewritten it in terms of the same base, so now you can just cancel those out. And now you just have a simple equation. So 8 minus 2x equals 4. So this is a positive 8. We'll go ahead and subtract it from both sides. That'll give us, let's see, negative 2x equals negative 4. 4 minus 8, negative 4. And then we'll divide by negative 2. And that will give us an x equals 2. And let's go ahead and check that. So 3 to the, let's see, 8 minus 2 times 2. Well, that's 3 to the 8 minus 4, so that gives us 3 to the 4th. So it works. Let's take a look at this next equation. So in this equation here, you've got e to the x plus 2 equals 8. Well, I can't make e and 8 the same base. Okay, that's just not going to happen here. So in this case, what we want to do is we want to use our inverses, okay, meaning that ln and e are inverses of each other. They're going to cancel each other out, just like logarithms and exponents are inverses of each other. They can be rewritten in their forms. So what that means for this problem is that I'm going to take ln, our natural log of both sides. Okay, because if I do it here, in order to cancel out the e, I've got to do it on this side as well. Okay, what I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Those cancel each other out. So natural log and e are going to cancel each other out. So this is going to come down. So this just comes down as x plus 2 equals natural log 8. Okay, and then I'm just going to solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 2. Now be careful here. This isn't 8 minus 2 here. This is attached. Okay, natural log 8 is attached. So I'm going to take that 2 and I'm going to tack it on the end there. So this is natural log 8 minus 2. You can take that and put it like that if you want. So you can keep yourself from making that a natural log 6 because that would be incorrect. Now, you want to write your answer in terms of natural logarithms. So this would be your answer in terms of natural logarithms. Natural log 8 minus 2. You can also get an approximate answer. So let's find what that is in our calculator. If I go natural log 8, close that, and then minus 2. So I'm going to get 0.079. So you could also get an approximate answer, and we're going to use the curly equal sign for that. 0.079 there. Okay, so if you're asked for an approximate answer or told to round to a certain amount, that's what you would do, is just put that in your calculator.